Hello everyone, welcome to Marine Electrical Made Easy. Today let us understand harmonics in AC system. So you can see in the screen how it is, the waves. Harmonics are unwanted electrical frequencies present in an AC supply. Normally AC has a smooth sine wave, but electronic equipment like VFD, UPS systems and rectifiers can distort the waveforms and create harmonics. Now, for example, in a 50 Hz system, the second harmonics is 100 Hz, third harmonics is 150 Hz, and fifth harmonics is 250 Hz. The harmonics can cause overheating, noise, and electrical problems in equipments. Harmonics can be minimized by using harmonics can be minimized by using harmonics filters, line reactors, and proper electrical system design. Balanced loading and good quality electrical equipment also help reduce harmonics. Reducing harmonics improve power quality and protects electrical equipment from overheating and damage. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Marine Electrical Made Easy.